xúc cảm hơn.
So I just translated what Ling's mother just said. So she says that we are coming from Vietnam. So we really have moved with all of those support from people here for Ling and Sai. She really feels very deeply that Ling and Sai love each other very much. Even they are from different countries, but she really feels that Sai actually have a really great love and responsibility to his partner, and she feels so grateful for this. She also would like to say thanks to all of you here, to the people present here, but also the people who are not here today, who gave all the support and really wonderful friendship, assistance to Ling and Sai. So she cannot say more, but from her heart, she just feels so grateful for all of you.